Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to turn your egg roll into a segmental roll. Really, I wanted to show you that the egg roll is a segmental roll. Now you're probably wondering, what is a segmental roll? What is an egg roll? Glad you asked, I'll show you. So a segmental roll is rolling in segments, or like a wave, piece by piece by piece, where your body just fluidly pulls itself over. An egg roll is when you put your body in the shape of an egg and you roll. And this is an egg roll. Now, we often in OS, in Original Strength, we often teach the egg roll to help people realize their segmental roll, to get their body ready to be able to segmentally roll. But the truth is, the egg roll is a segmental roll. And if you spend time in the egg roll, it feels amazing. And well, you know what? I'm just going to show you how to do this, and you're going to want to do this. So you're welcome now. You don't even have to thank me, even though you'll probably want to. It's okay. So check this out. We're going to roll eyes, head, body, and we're going to do it in a segmental roll. And it looks like this: eyes, head, body. And the head goes all the way around. Now watch this. This is segmental. It's eyes, head, shoulders, spine, hips. Spine, shoulders, neck, and head. So it's really cool. So it's upper body segmental roll here, then becomes a lower body segmental roll here. So we go upper body, lower body. And you might be thinking, yeah, big whoop, Tim, but you got to try this and see if you can get your body to move piece by piece by piece. Can you see the wave? Like it's a fluid wave of motion. So it's a very small segmental roll. Now I realize you don't have to be as excited as I am about this roll to enjoy this roll. I get that. But you got to try this roll. I'll try to do it from the top. From the top. Take it from the top, Timmy. So it's eyes, head, shoulders, spine, legs, eyes, head, shoulder, thoracic spine, lumbar spine, hips, upper body, lower body. Anyway, do this roll. Practice it. Try it. Do it every day. Do it twice a day. I'm just kidding. Do this roll every day and see what you think. It is a great way to teach your body how to move segmentally, to teach your body how to flow. It restores mobility, restores strength, gives your nervous system great information, activates your vestibular system, helps everything about you become better. This roll right here. And it's relaxing and enjoyable. All right, that's my tip this week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net. To train with Tim, go to osi-online.com.